हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू क्रिकेट टीवी। यहाँ हम सिर्फ क्रिकेट की बात नहीं, जुनून, हर एक इंडियन के जुनून की बात करते हैं। निखिल मोरसावाला एंड नारायण पसारी आर विथ अस टुडे. We'll discuss about today's match between SRH and CSK, the bottom two. Uh, the underrated, as Nikhil Morsawala used to say in the beginning of the match, and they are quite underrated at the moment. So yes, we'll start. Nikhil sir.
So I think quite an inconsequential match, most likely. Of course,
Yes.
I read somewhere that CSK's coach Daniel Vittori says we'll win the rest 6 matches and still qualify for the.
Yes.
देखो, there's no harm in dreaming. सपने तो हम सब देखते हैं और जो दिन में सपने देखते हैं उसमें तारे भी नहीं होते. तो मेरे ख्याल से सपने देखने में कोई कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं है. Aiming high also is not a problem. But do you have the weapons to win that war? And the battle. That is the problem for CSK. I don't think CSK is playing below the skill. CSK is playing to their skill. They don't have the skills.
They
You
don't
look
have the
at you look
skills.
at they don't have the skill set. They don't have the right players. They have aging players. They have a Ravichandra Ashwin who's been being beaten all over the place. And then you have a Mahendra Singh Dhoni not performing. You have Ravindra Jadeja who off and on performs, and Rituraj Gaikwad is out of the team, and you have players like Pathirana trying to do something given the circumstances. So I think all in all, the things are not coming together. So you may want to win, you may say that we are CSK and we are the CSK, that team that has made the finals most times in the IPL and being led by the great MSD. But you're taking a machine gun against a a B-52. So I mean, not going to work. So I think yes, inconsequential game. SRH, yes, maybe because SRH has a lot of talent. It's not come through for whatever reason. But my sense is today आज SRH जाग जाएगी शायद और कुछ करेगी. उनके जो टॉप 4-5 जो लोग हैं खेलेंगे आज. पिछले मैच में तो उन्होंने कंप्लीट हारा खेली की थी शायद मुंबई के सामने. तो होपफुली वो नहीं करेंगे आज. खेलेंगे सीएसके के सामने. सामने की ऑपोजिशन बॉलिंग स्ट्रांग नहीं है. उनको उनको उसका एडवांटेज लेना बहुत जरूरी है. सीएसके इज इन कंप्लीट ड्रिफ्ट, सो एसआरएच मस्ट टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ दैट. Will they then make the qualifiers after 3 wins out of what, 10? This is the 10th match. I don't think they stand a chance because they still have to play the tough teams going forward. But still, not being at the bottom and maybe making it to number 8 or number 7 should be their goal, so that they have at least some respectability in the standing. लेकिन आज मेरे ख्याल से SRH should come out uh, all guns booming, and
But
hopefully we should have a high
a,
scoring match.
a quick fun fact is that Hyderabad has never won at Chepauk.
Correct.
Just like RCB, they have never won at Chepauk. So it's to be seen if that changes today.
uh, the reverse is also true that CSK had never lost at Chepauk
Yeah, well,
till Mumbai beat them. Till
yes,
Mumbai beat them.
yes.
So I think if you look at that statistic, that CSK started losing on its home ground and losing against teams which were not supposed to be
RCB
as
won.
strong as them. Yeah, there you go. So the point is that SRH is playing against a weaker CSK. It's not the same CSK that SRH played in the previous editions. So I think SRH should not be cowed down by that number. They should play a CSK on the merit of, and if they do that, I see SRH is much stronger team and probably coming up with a good performance.
Narayan
Right?
sir, I mean, Chennai does have players like Shivam Dubey, Rachin Ravindra, who has potential, who can maybe play. So, what do you think? Does CSK have chance today?
So if you look at both the teams, both have just 2 wins out of 8 matches, and CSK at the bottom and SRH at the second last, basically. Last match, as we saw, CSK got a big drubbing by 9 wickets. And in fact, if you see, CSK has the lowest scoring rate in power play
Yes, this season. Yes.
among the teams. Correct?
Yes.
They have a out of form Rachin. They have, they should now. I am today looking at Ayush Matre. Today I will have a look at him again if they play him.
Oh, wonderful
Yes.
player.
Yes.
Absolutely,
Correct.
yes.
Yeah, I think they can try a guy called Vansh Bedi, if you know. वंश
Okay.
बेदी इज अ विकेट कीपर बैटर है, तो एमएसडी है, तो फिर भी अगर बिकॉज ही इज नोन टू बी ही इन लास्ट ईयर इन 2024 इन द दिल्ली सुपर लीग, he scored some 200 odd runs at an average of 44, and people were saying that he hit sixes on demand.
Oh,
हाँ, सो अभी क्या है, सीएसके को है नथिंग टू लूज, 20 लोग हैं
yeah.
उसमें से
Yes,
ट्राई करना चाहिए लोगों को एक्चुअली,
yes,
बेसिकली ऐसा मैं
yes,
सोचा था।
yeah.
इवन सैम करन आल्सो दे शुड ट्राई अगेन, उसको भी बाहर
Yes.
रखा हुआ है उन्होंने, है ना। एंड इफ यू
Yeah,
सी,
what I'm reading, Naren, what I'm reading is if Vansh Bedi comes in place of Rachin, Ravindra, then there is place for one more overseas player. Then Sam
करेक्ट,
Curran can come. So if they replace Rachin with Vansh,
या,
and so therefore one overseas player goes away, then there is a
हाँ,
scope for them to bring back Sam Curran. Otherwise, there are already four. If they don't
बट
put Rachin away.
हाँ 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 हाँ, करेक्ट, वो है, दैट परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशंस दे कैन प्ले, लेकिन मेरा बोलना है अभी क्या होगा, आज जो भी जीतेगा ना, दे विल जस्ट चेंज साइड्स, 9-10, 10-9 हो जाएगा, और कुछ होने वाला
Correct,
नहीं है।
Yes.
correct, correct,
सो
correct.
अगर कुछ खेलना है तो यंग बच्चों को आपने पैसा दिया है,
Experiment.
30 लाख से 50 लाख, तो उनको खिलावे ना कम से कम। अगर आप
Yes.
देखोगे तो सीएसके इज द वर्स्ट परफॉर्मिंग साइड अगेंस्ट स्पिन, they have lost 25 wickets at an average of 18 runs. No, correct. And they have just scored 6.6 runs per over against spin.
And that against SRH.
So I am for a match between both of them, though it is inconsequential.
Yeah.
Now, yeah, coming back to SRH, they have
Just
lost
one
the most.
correction, Naren, one correction. If the team that wins today will actually jump to number 8 because RR is on 9-2, SRH 8-2, CSK 8-2. So the team that wins
Okay,
will become
I
9-3.
said corrected. Yeah. But
So
even
that
possibly, does the changes be made more if there is change in the run rate?
Yeah.
yeah, not much because SRH and CSK are sort of head to head. They
Yeah,
are
very,
minus
very close. They're very
1.361
close.
minus very close, very close. But RR will be number 10 straight away or number 9 because RR will be minus 0.625. So जो आज हारेगा वो 10 नंबर पे जाएगा और
अभी
जीतेगा वो 8 नंबर पे
आज
जाएगा
के
और
बाद
RR 9
सबके
नंबर
9
पे
मैच हो जाएंगे ना, आज के बाद सबके 9 मैच हो जाएंगे, नहीं?
नौ
Not
मैच हो
really.
जाएंगे
No, no.
लेकिन एक
Gujarat,
हाँ
Delhi, Punjab,
हाँ
and Kolkata. We have two more matches before that
हाँ,
happens.
इवन
या
जीटी, हाँ, जीटी डीसी,
हाँ
Punjab
पंजाब
and
PBKS
Kolkata.
एंड
and
केकेआर,
KKR.
करेक्ट, या,
But in the
ओके,
bottom three, all will be 9. And out
Yeah.
of all 9, one will be at 3 wins and two will be at 2 wins.
ओके।
So RR will be at ninth by end of the day. That's
I
the
will be at number 9. Absolutely, yes. Yeah.
Plus, if you SRH has lost the most wickets in the power play, 16
yes.
wickets they have lost, and their lowest average also of 28 in power play. So, when you see the first match, when it started के 300 पार
76, yes.
और एक ही यही टीम कर सकती है 300 पार जो एसआरएच है, तो आज के दिन में यह बोल सकता हूं कि ये काफी हाइप हो गया था उसमें।
Mm.
Yes, definitely.
Where are they playing?
और अभी क्या हो
Where
रहा
are
है,
they
they
playing?
are relying only on
Chennai.
Klaasen.
They're playing in Chepauk. Okay.
क्लासेन ही खेल रहा है खाली, और I today again I will see if Abhinav Manohar plays again today. I would like to see him today. So he's a good batter. Let's see how it works out. और बाकी लोग को सबको खेलना है, और आज ईशान भी 11.5 करोड़ का कितना वैल्यू निकालता है अपने को मालूम पड़ेगा एक्चुअली।
After that
उसका
one
तो अभी
century, we haven't seen
रन
much.
स्कोर इज गेटिंग नेगेटिव एक्चुअली।
कभी कभी हम वो डबल एजेंट वाला सोचते हैं ना कि इंडियन स्पाई पाकिस्तान आर्मी में घुस जाते हैं और स्पाई बनता है, तो ऐसा लगता है कि ये मुंबई का स्पाई है ईशान किशन। उसको मुकेश अंबानी ने, नीता भाभी ने बोला बेटा तू एक काम कर, तू वो टीम में जा, रन मत बनाइयो।
हमारे सामने मत बनाना।
हमारे सामने तो बिल्कुल मत बनाइयो।
आउट
और
नहीं हो
अगर
तो
कोई
निकल
अपील करता है तो चल, और कोई अपील करता है तो निकल निकल पड़ना, रिव्यू मत करियो।
जाओ।
So,
That
so
was
I mean,
crazy.
on a lighter,
हमें
I mean, it was completely nonsensical,
Yeah.
and I think the DRS should also cover getting batsmen back, saying you're not out,
Yes.
yes,
Yes.
very well go and play. Yeah. So
Correct.
सबने
I
ये
think the
कर
third
दिया.
umpire, the third umpire must play his role there also, because if he's not out, he's not out. I mean, you can, and it is blatantly not out. Not that it was a
Yeah,
touch and go and it was like some होता है ऐसा नहीं था. ये तो nonsense था, एकदम nonsense था. So I think, I mean,
And
on a lighter tone, I think Ishan Kishan, if he doesn't play today, he might as well be considered
MI player.
somebody sitting in that team helping other teams.
Yes.
दूसरा, अगर आप इफ यू सी ना, पातिराना ने क्लासेन को 3 बार आउट किया है.
Yes.
क्लासेन परफॉर्म कर रहा है, तो आज के दिन में वो भी एक जंग देखनी पड़ेगी अपने को, क्योंकि अगर क्लासेन बराबर नहीं खेला, देन देयर बी अगेन लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर ऑन द अदर पीपल हैव टू रियली परफॉर्म टुडे. और
And
धोनी
I
साहब
think it's
जल्दी
high
आ गए
time.
बाय चांस, तो अच्छा
High
है.
time Travis Head also starts, justifying all that rating that he's being given. Abhishek Sharma ने
करेक्ट
एक बार खेला तो, it should not be कि भाई एक बार खेला तो हो गया था. I think we should quickly just, you know, he should just start having his showing his metal now. There's not much left in the series already. So अभी जो भी बाकी पड़ा, he should be quickly now.
Yes.
और आज के दिन में क्या होगा, चेन्नई में बहुत हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड का कंडीशन आया है, तो दैट विल आल्सो प्ले अ लॉन्ग लॉट ऑन द मैच इटसेल्फ. देखा जाएगा तो आज के दिन में
I think
कैसा.
Hyderabad players
और
will be more affected
यस यस.
So I
और
think
अभी
today,
बाकी के भी सीएसके वाले भी
Haithवी,
सब पूरा इंडिया भ्रमण कर रहे हैं ना, तो उनको भी वहां का फिर वापस आएंगे आज, तो उनको तो मालूम पड़ेगा ही ना. ऐसा थोड़ी है कि सीएसके वाले सी चेन्नई में बैटिंग अपना कोचिंग लेते हैं. वो तो सब जगह अच्छे,
yes.
वो तो धर्मशाला में जाके कोचिंग लेते हैं.
More
I
Asian
agree.
players in CSK.
इनको सबको है ना इंडिया सीमेंट्स के प्लान में भेजना चाहिए.
So I think we are running short on time for this episode. So
Yes.
quickly, let us hit me your views today. What do you think? You have been always a sort of a Mahendra Singh
Mahendra
Dhoni.
Singh Dhoni, yeah, and he plays, so I'm that way I'm happy कि वो आते हैं, भले मैच नहीं जीत सकते पर उस टाइम पे वो खेल लेते हैं. So I don't mind. Today I think he'll play, he'll perform because there's no, stress on winning the game or anything. They're not going to playoffs, that's for sure. So yeah, it would be a fun game. ज्यादा स्कोर करे तो मजा आएगा देखने में. They'll
Yeah, I
trouble
think
RR
the pressure is of both the teams to,
on the 10th.
I think both must have कि भाई हमें ऊपर 4 में तो जाना नहीं है, तो खुल के खेलो जो भी
देखो,
है. There's
आज
nothing to
आज
be.
का क्या स्कोर देख रहे हो निखिल भाई?
If SRH bat first, I think if SRH bat first, I would look at anywhere between 190 to 215 today. If SRH bat first, if CSK bats first, it's anybody. I mean, can be 150 also. And if 2 3 players start hitting, they are so inconsistent in this season that it's very very difficult to predict what they will do. SRH, I know SRH last 2 3 games they haven't played. Now they'll come suddenly flashing. It's inconsequential. वो जीता नहीं जीता, बहुत अच्छा खेलेगा ये. तो ये आप उनके प्रीवियस मैचेस भी देखिए, जब वो दे वर रूल्ड आउट ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट, दे स्टार्टेड विनिंग इन अगेंस्ट ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ टीम्स.
करेक्ट
So
करेक्ट
I
करेक्ट.
think because the pressure has gone off and you're playing your own free game. So I think today I would think SRH batting first, you would get a 190 to 15
Good
feast.
score.
And if CSK, Vanshvedi comes in and does his magic, as you say, and if he plays the first 6 overs and along with who I don't know who's going to open with, but if it is who's the opener that he'll play with, I think he's going to be playing with Abhishek Sharma. No,
और
that's I'm
आयुष
talking
मात्रे,
thinking wrong.
does he open? Ayush
Yes,
Matre?
Ayush Matre is one down. Sheikh Rashid, I
वन
don't
डाउन.
know what Sheikh Rashid does, but he's also a new player. Last time he was taken. So, but I think if Ayush Matre and Vansh Bedi, and last match, if you see the way Ayush Matre played was brilliant. He played a super cameo. And I think if he does that this time, and if Vansh is there to support him, and then later on Ravindra Jadeja and Mahendra Singh Dhoni wield their magic, and Jadeja's trademark sword with the bat, if he's able to do then and bring back that old magic, then you could have a good run chase also. And you can't write off CSK because at the end of the day they are CSK. So
No,
and
no,
they are
Dubey
playing in
also will
Superb.
play. Now, if there is a run chase
Of
now,
course,
Shivam Dubey also will play.
Yes.
Absolutely. He's a brilliant player. He's a brilliant player. He has been sort of bogged
Yes.
down because of the team not playing well, but
Ah,
hugely talented, hugely talented. And
correct.
I think
Usually, huge
when
talent, huge talent.
when he comes and he can change the face of the game. So, 190, 215, and good run chase depending on assuming that CSK is playing second. If CSK is playing first, SRH can change any score.
Would you pick your
So I
player
am
of the
51. I am
match?
51% for SRH and 49 for CSK.
Okay.
That that's being non-committal. That's like saying कोई भी जीतेगा. And that 1% doesn't hold, yeah.
More. We
That
want
I
more
am
1%
see on
margin in
works only
between.
in the boardroom. That
see
1% works only in the
on the
boardroom.
CSK side. On the CSK side, I am today supporting Shivam Dubey, and on the
Yes.
other side, I am Klassen. I will be a
Okay.
Klassen fan today. Then
No,
Perfect.
I'm actually rooting for Travis Head and Ishan Kishan today. I think Travis is right-handed, I think, if I'm not mistaken, and
yes,
Ishan is left. And if that
left.
right-left combination comes into play,
Yes, correct.
I think that can be very, very potent if both of them start going together. And I think I would sort of look at these two to make a big, huge score for Hyderabad. For Chennai, I still think Mahendra Singh Dhoni would be critical uh, in the second part of the innings. But up front, Vansh Bedi coming in and playing along his game along with Ayush Matre would be very, very important for CSK. So let's see how these newcomers change the face of
Game.
CSK. I think CSK needs new blood, this transfusion that is happening, and hopefully that नया जो खून है, जो गर्म खून है, जो लाल खून है, जो खून जिसको
Yellow.
जैसे हेतवी कहती है इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे जाके खेलना है, जिसमें वो भूख है, वो बहुत
Yes.
ही जिज्ञासा है, बहुत ही जुनून है, तो वो जुनून वाले जो लोग हैं वो आज पहले 3 में खेलेंगे, 4 में खेलेंगे, तो शायद सीएसके का एक नया चेहरा बाहर उमड़ के
Exactly.
आएगा.
Yeah, they
जेन
should
बोल्ट
be
की जय हो.
great.
हैं?
ट्रेंट बोल्ट की
जेन
जय
बोल्ट
हो.
की जेन बोल्ट की जय हो.
बिल्कुल. बिल्कुल. So let's hope for a good match. Let's hope for something that surprises everybody, that takes us by surprise and makes everything much more viewable and entertaining.
Yes. Also,
Yeah.
it's Mahendra Singh Dhoni's 400th match, T20 match. So,
Wow.
it's one of the,
Amazing.
yes. तो शायद वो खेल ले, शायद CSK जीत जाए. We don't
What
know.
a landmark.
Yeah.
शायद शायद शायद
वो
शायद
रिकॉर्ड तो कभी टूटेगा भी नहीं. वो रिकॉर्ड कभी नहीं टूटेगा. 400 मैच का.
शायद शायद
Nobody
शायद
will
लोग
play
उसे
that
खेलने
long.
देंगे. मे बी पीपल विल लेट हिम प्ले. बोला यार 400 वाला गेम है, उसको
500
खेलने
कर
दो.
दो.
So I
Okay.
think yeah, a good game. And guys, last 2 days for your chance to reply to question on contest number 3. Last 2 days have been dry, no entries have come in. Please keep on sending. Today's Friday. You have to Sunday 12 noon, and Sunday afternoon Narayan will tell you the winner of this contest, which is the legend that you would want to bring back into your team to play for this IPL and why. You can choose any legend from any team to play for your team. सेंड इन आंसर्स जल्दी भेजिए, व्हाट्सएप पे, फेसबुक पे, इंस्टा पे, कहीं से भी जैसे भी आपको भेजना हो, और हम आपकी एंट्रीज देख के संडे को आपको रिजल्ट बताएंगे. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Enjoy the blockbuster match that today will play out to be. Bye.